Want to create a smooth scrolling timeline animation in CapCut for PC? First, create a text layer. Here, type out the years for your timeline. For example, I'll start with 2000 and continue until 2025. To add each year, type it, then press Enter. To move to the next line, repeat until your timeline is complete, and choose a clean font style. Next, make the text bigger. That suits your project. Now let's create the scrolling effect. Move to the beginning of the text layer. Beside the position option, on the right side, click the diamond icon to add a keyframe. In the timeline, move the cursor to the endpoint of the keyframe and adjust the position so that the final year is centered. Right-click on the text layer and choose Show Variable Speed Animation. Expand the Y-axis animation, then right-click the first keyframe. Select Ease In. Adjust the blue curve line so it aligns horizontally with the keyframe, and select the ending keyframe. This creates a smooth, natural scrolling effect. Once you're satisfied, right-click the text layer and select Create Compound Clip. This helps keep your animation organized. Click on the play button to check the preview, and that's it. Like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.